Today we're making Pom Pom birds. This is what it's gonna end up looking like.
Isn't that cute? With tail, though. We haven't put the feather on yet. This one's not done yet. So
what you need is
two
of the same color pom pom, whatever color you want, and then you glue the head on
like this. So you just take some glue, put a little dab of, taking a little longer. Okay, there's a dab of glue.
And you're going to need one smaller pom-pom for the head. Not the same size, but the same color.
Mm-hmm.
So...
Okay, so we're going to put this down and let it dry.
Okay, so then, while you wait for it to dry, you start cutting the beak.
We just take a piece of orange paper and just make
orange or yellow.
Orange or yellow. And just make a diamond shape. Cut a diamond shape like this. And then you just fold it in half.
And
this diamond needs a little bit of trimming. This beak. Okay, so now you have a little beak. And you put a dab of glue on the beak on the other side of the folded paper. And this still has to dry the head, but I want to show you how to put the beak on. So you can put the beak on right like there.
Opened or closed, doesn't matter.
And then what we did was we didn't have, you can use googly eyes.
Or you can use paper eyes that you can make.
Yeah, so we didn't have googly eyes, so we like to make do with what we have. So what we did was we cut out little pieces of paper, white paper, and just outlined them with black and made them eyes. And then we're going to use the glue to put them on. Okay. So doesn't this one need eyes? Let's use this is Marley's.
Okay, we're switching birds for a sec while the red one dries.
Exactly. Okay.
So we're putting eyes on this one.
Okay. There's one. Okay. And
there's two.
Oh. There, okay. Look at him. Show the face. Isn't that cute? Look how fast it was. We made a cute little birdie. Oh, and now we need the feathers.
So you take a feather, whatever color you want.
How about this color for that?
And you glue it on the back of the bird.
Because it makes it a little decorative. I know it doesn't look like a regular chick, but we are being creative. And color. We like the colors too. Okay.
I know there's no such thing as a turquoise tail, but there, it's done. Ta-da!
That's cute. And this is another one here with the pink feather, right?
Yeah. Now.
And this one we're gonna finish this one next, and we're gonna do another demonstration later with this is Summer and her brother Cody, and we're gonna make one for him on the video. But we made a little bird cage here to put the bird in with a little latch. So stay tuned.
Oh, and by the way, make sure to be creative and decorate the floor.
Bye. Say, look in the thing. Say bye.
Bye.